Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of Travel Partner. It's your friend, Samantha Brown, here to guide you on an unforgettable 24-hour adventure in the heart of Europe. Luxembourg may be small, but it packs a punch with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Get ready to be charmed by Luxembourg, a country that's bursting with history, culture, and stunning landscapes. From its picturesque old town to its modern districts, there's something for everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate Luxembourg experience, designed to help you make the most of your time in this captivating country. From exploring ancient castles that tell tales of medieval times, to indulging in delicious local cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds, we've got you covered. Luxembourg's culinary scene is a delightful mix of French, German, and Belgian influences, offering a unique gastronomic experience. So, buckle up, grab your travel journal, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. We'll visit iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and everything in between. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a history buff, Luxembourg has something special in store for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner's YouTube channel for more incredible travel tips and inspiration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest adventures and join our community of passionate travelers. Let's make every journey unforgettable. Luxembourg might be small, but don't let its size fool you. This tiny country, nestled between Belgium, France, and Germany, packs a punch with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Despite its modest size, Luxembourg has a lot to offer to both residents and visitors alike. This mighty nation boasts a rich history, having been ruled by counts, dukes, and even emperors. Its strategic location in Europe has made it a coveted prize throughout the centuries, leading to a fascinating tapestry of historical events and influences. The remnants of its storied past can be seen in the numerous castles and fortifications that dot the landscape. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. With 3 official languages, Luxembourgish, French, and German, it's a place where diversity is celebrated and embraced. The multicultural atmosphere is palpable, especially during the numerous festivals and events that bring people together from all walks of life. Prepare to be amazed by the country's unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. The capital city, Luxembourg City, is a perfect example of this harmonious coexistence. As you wander through its streets, you'll find ancient fortresses standing proudly alongside sleek, modern buildings, creating a stunning visual contrast. From the medieval architecture of its historic quarter to the sleek skyscrapers of its financial district, Luxembourg seamlessly blends the past and the present. The Kirchberg district, in particular, is a testament to the country's forward-thinking approach, housing some of the most important financial institutions in Europe. Get ready to wander through cobblestone streets, marvel at grand palaces, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this fascinating country. Each corner of Luxembourg has its own story to tell, from the bustling markets to the serene parks and gardens that offer a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle and bustle. Luxembourg is waiting to captivate you with its beauty and charm. Whether you're exploring its picturesque countryside, delving into its rich history, or simply enjoying the warm hospitality of its people, Luxembourg promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing for more. Our adventure begins with a hearty breakfast to kickstart your day of exploration. Head to a local bakery and treat yourself to a warm croissant or a pain au chocolat, accompanied by a strong cup of Luxembourgish coffee. For a more traditional start, try Boeneschlup, a delicious green bean soup with bacon and potatoes. It's a local favorite that will fuel you up for a day of sightseeing. Now that you're energized and ready to go, let's dive into the heart of Luxembourg City and uncover its hidden gems. Our first stop takes us to the Luxembourg City History Museum, where you'll journey through the captivating past of this remarkable city. Housed in 4 historic buildings, the museum showcases Luxembourg's transformation from a small fortress town to a thriving European capital. Explore fascinating exhibits that bring history to life, from ancient artifacts to interactive displays. Learn about the city's strategic importance, its role in European politics, and the lives of its people throughout the centuries. After immersing yourself in Luxembourg's rich history, it's time to take a break and indulge in some local flavors. Section 5. A delicious detour lunch like a local. For a true taste of Luxembourg, venture into the city center and find a cozy cafe or bistro. One local favorite is knitteln, small dumplings made with flour, eggs, and water, often served with bacon and cream sauce. Another must-try is gromperekkeltje, crispy potato pancakes best enjoyed with applesauce. These savory treats are a staple of Luxembourgish cuisine and will tantalize your taste buds. With your appetite satisfied, get ready to explore one of Luxembourg City's most picturesque neighborhoods. Section 6. An afternoon stroll through the Grund. As afternoon descends, make your way to the enchanting Grund, a historic quarter nestled in the lower part of Luxembourg City. This charming neighborhood is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, ancient bridges, and beautifully preserved houses. Take a leisurely stroll along the Alzette River, breathe in the fresh air, and soak in the tranquil ambiance of this hidden gem. The Grund offers a unique perspective of Luxembourg City, showcasing its medieval charm and architectural wonders. As the sun begins to set, it's time to immerse ourselves in the world of music and culture. Section 7. A night of culture at the Philharmonie. For an unforgettable evening, head to the Philharmonie Luxembourg, a stunning concert hall renowned for its exceptional acoustics and world-class performances. Whether you're a classical music aficionado or simply appreciate the beauty of live music, a visit to the Philharmonie is a must. Immerse yourself in the enchanting melodies of renowned orchestras, ensembles, and soloists from around the globe. The Philharmonie offers a diverse program, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. As the curtains close and the applause fades, take a moment to reflect on the incredible experiences of your day in Luxembourg. Section 8. Making the most of your 24 hours. To maximize your time in Luxembourg, consider these travel tips. Getting around Luxembourg City is easily walkable, but public transportation is efficient and affordable. The city's compact size makes it perfect for exploring on foot, allowing you to soak in the charming streets and historic architecture at your own pace. However, if you prefer a quicker way to get around, the public transportation system is top-notch. Consider purchasing a Luxembourg card for unlimited travel on buses, trams, and trains. This card not only saves you money but also offers convenience, allowing you to hop on and off various modes of transport without the hassle of buying individual tickets. Best time to visit. Spring and fall offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. During these seasons, the parks and gardens are in full bloom, and the streets are less crowded, making it an ideal time for leisurely strolls and outdoor activities. Summer is peak season, while winter can be charming with its Christmas markets. In summer, the city buzzes with energy, and various festivals and events take place. Winter, on the other hand, transforms Luxembourg into a winter wonderland with its festive Christmas markets, offering a magical experience. Language. While Luxembourgish is the official language, French, German, and English are widely spoken. This multilingual environment makes it easy for tourists to communicate and navigate the city. Remember to embrace the local culture, try traditional dishes, and interact with the friendly locals. Luxembourgish cuisine offers a delightful mix of French and German influences, and the locals are known for their hospitality. Your Luxembourg adventure will be all the more enriching for it. By immersing yourself in the local culture and making the most of your time, you'll create unforgettable memories in this beautiful city. Section 9. Ready for your own Luxembourg adventure? So there you have it, your action-packed 24-hour itinerary for exploring the best of Luxembourg City. From its captivating history and charming neighborhoods to its delectable cuisine and vibrant cultural scene, Luxembourg has something to offer every traveler. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of this enchanting country. Book your trip, pack your bags, and get ready to create unforgettable memories in the heart of Europe. Don't forget to share your adventures with us. Subscribe to Travel Partners' YouTube channel for more travel inspiration, tips, and exciting destinations waiting to be discovered. Happy travels!